Imagine owning a car that only a select few can afford, one that's so meticulously crafted it takes up to 6 months to build by hand. Rolls Royce isn't just a car. It's a statement, a symbol of luxury. But why do they cost so much? What is it that makes them worth the price of a house? Stay tuned, and you'll find out. Rolls Royce has always been synonymous with luxury, a brand that carries a weighty reputation for excellence, prestige, and exclusivity. Founded over a century ago, the brand has become the gold standard for high-end automobiles. But there's more to Rolls-Royce than just a shiny badge and a high price tag. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and reveal the hidden reasons behind the steep prices of these extraordinary vehicles. From their unparalleled craftsmanship and the use of rare materials, to the painstakingly slow process of customization, every Rolls-Royce is a work of art that goes beyond just transportation. By the end of this video, you'll have a deep understanding of why Rolls-Royce cars command such high prices and whether they live up to their legendary status. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a ride into the world of luxury like never before. The question on everyone's mind is simple. Why are Rolls-Royce cars so expensive? After all, luxury cars aren't a new concept. Brands like Bentley, Ferrari, and Lamborghini have been making high-end vehicles for decades, yet Rolls-Royce stands apart. It's not just the car, it's the brand's mystique, the history, and what it represents. However, for many, understanding why you might spend $500,000 on a vehicle that performs similarly to cars costing far less can be a bit of a mystery. Rolls-Royce isn't necessarily faster than a Ferrari or more technically advanced than a Tesla. In fact, many would argue that other luxury cars can offer better driving performance. So why do people continue to pay a premium for a Rolls-Royce? This is the challenge we'll be exploring today. We'll look at all the elements that contribute to the astronomical prices, including craftsmanship, materials, bespoke customization options, and brand heritage. We'll also delve into some specific examples and stories that illustrate just how far Rolls-Royce goes to maintain its elite status. Are you ready? Let's dig deeper. To truly understand why Rolls-Royce cars are so expensive, we need to explore the many layers that go into producing one of these magnificent machines. It all starts with craftsmanship, something that has been the cornerstone of Rolls-Royce since the brand's inception in 1904. Rolls-Royce doesn't mass-produce its cars like most automakers. Instead, every vehicle is built by hand, often requiring a team of experts working for months on end. Let's break this down further. Craftsmanship. Each Rolls-Royce vehicle is meticulously handcrafted by a team of highly skilled artisans, some of whom have been with the company for decades. These artisans are responsible for the intricate detailing found in every car. From the hand-stitched leather seats to the custom-made dashboards, nothing is left to chance. Rolls-Royce prides itself on perfection, and this comes through in every stitch, curve, and panel. A single car may take as many as 400 to 450 hours to complete, and that's without taking into account the bespoke customizations requested by the client. The leather used in the seats, for example, comes from specially selected Bavarian cattle, known for their flawless hides. This attention to detail extends to every inch of the car, inside and out. The materials, Rolls-Royce doesn't use just any materials. The finest woods, leathers, and metals are sourced to create an environment of ultimate luxury. The dashboard, for instance, is crafted from rare wood veneers, which are hand-polished to give them a gleaming, mirror-like finish. Some customers even opt for custom materials like gold or diamonds embedded into the vehicle's design. The famous Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, which has adorned every Rolls-Royce since 1911, can be customized with precious metals such as platinum, gold, or even be encrusted with diamonds. The sheer variety of materials used in each car is another factor that drives up the price. Rolls-Royce isn't building just another car. It's building a work of art that reflects the individual style and preferences of its owner. Bespoke customization. The term bespoke is often used when discussing Rolls-Royce because every car is made to the exact specifications of its owner. Customers can choose from over 44,000 exterior paint colors and customize the interior with a limitless variety of options. Whether it's a unique monogram embroidered into the seats or a personalized starlight headliner with fiber optics that mimic the night sky, Rolls-Royce is in the business of making dreams a reality. It's not uncommon for a client to spend months working with the design team, specifying every detail of their car. Want a champagne cooler in the back seat? No problem. Need an extra long wheelbase to accommodate your VIP passengers? Rolls-Royce will make it happen. This level of customization goes well beyond what most luxury car brands offer, making each Rolls-Royce truly one of a kind. Brand heritage and legacy. Rolls-Royce isn't just selling a car, it's selling history. The brand has been around for more than a century, and over the years, it has established itself as the ultimate symbol of luxury. From royalty to celebrities, owning a Rolls-Royce has long been a sign of success and status. The company's commitment to excellence dates back to the early 1900s, when Charles Rolls and Henry Royce set out to build the best car in the world. Today, that commitment continues, and owning a Rolls-Royce is as much about joining an exclusive club as it is about driving a car. Rolls-Royce vehicles have appeared in movies, been owned by countless heads of state, and are often chosen as the transportation of choice for weddings and other prestigious events. It's a brand that carries with it a certain gravitas that few others can match. Perhaps the most compelling insight into Rolls-Royce's commitment to luxury can be found in their production processes. Take, for example, the paint job. Rolls-Royce's paint process is unlike any other in the automotive industry. A single car may go through as many as 22 layers of paint, each applied by hand and polished to perfection. And if that wasn't enough, customers can work directly with the design team to create a completely custom color one that no other car in the world will have. The color is then stored in the company's archives, ensuring that the client's unique shade remains exclusive to them. But here's the part that will truly blow your mind. Rolls-Royce cars have an umbrella, yes, an umbrella that is built into the door frame. This isn't just any umbrella. It's a handcrafted piece that costs over $1,000 to replace. This level of attention to detail is what sets Rolls-Royce apart from other luxury car makers. Every aspect of the vehicle, from the seats to the door handles, has been meticulously thought through and designed with luxury in mind. One particular story that encapsulates the brand's dedication to excellence is the development of the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the company's flagship model. The Phantom represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, and its development was a decade-long process. Engineers and designers worked tirelessly to ensure that every aspect of the car was perfect, from the near-silent engine to the handcrafted interior. The result is a vehicle that is not only beautiful, but also incredibly smooth and quiet to drive. It's been described as a magic carpet ride, and that's exactly what it feels like. So, when you look at everything that goes into creating a Rolls-Royce, from the handcrafted craftsmanship to the finest materials, the bespoke customization options, and the brand's legacy, it becomes clear why these cars come with such a hefty price tag. A Rolls-Royce isn't just a vehicle. It's a status symbol, a work of art, and a statement of ultimate luxury. Every detail, no matter how small, is meticulously crafted to ensure that each car is perfect and reflects the personality of its owner at the end of the day. You're not just buying a car, you're buying a piece of history, an experience, and a sense of belonging to one of the most exclusive clubs in the world. Now that you know what goes into making a Rolls-Royce, what do you think? Is it worth the price? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about other luxury cars, make sure to check out my video on the top 5 most expensive cars in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world of luxury and exclusivity.